How to fix could not create account or your account cannot be created at this time. So if you are encountering an error message on any application stating could not create account or your account cannot be created at this time, then it can be frustrating. So in this video, I will show you the several steps you can take in order to resolve this issue. But you have to make sure that you watch the video till the end so that you will get the solution for this issue. So the first thing first is make sure your software is up to date. If your software on your device is not up to date, then this might be the reason why you cannot create your account at this time. So in order to check that, you have to go to your settings on your device and on the search bar, search for software update. Or else, if you don't find this in this way, you can simply search for update. So here are the different update zone. You can simply go and tap on software update option. Wait until it has been checking for update. As you can see that version up to date, that means I have already updated my software and I don't need to update my software. But if your software has not been up to date, then you will see the option of download and install, where you simply need to tap on that download and install option and software update it. So once you update the software on your device, then your issue of could not create account might be fixed. But if it is not yet fixed, then different kind of issue might be there for that kind of problem on your device. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you have stable and reliable internet connection once you have updated your software. You have to try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. The next thing is, suppose if you have this issue of could not create account on WhatsApp application, then make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. For that you have to update the WhatsApp. You can go to the Play Store and see for the updates of any app that you are facing the issue of. For now, I'm taking the example of WhatsApp, so let's search for WhatsApp. Since there is open button, that means we have successfully updated the app. Then you have to clear the cache of any app. For now, let's tap and hold the WhatsApp application and tap on the app info, or you can also tap on this eye icon. This will take you to the app info page of WhatsApp. Go to storage users and clear the cache. Once done, you have to lastly reinstall that application where you are facing the issue. Simply tap and hold that particular app and you will see the trash icon. Tap on it, uninstall it and then reinstall from App Store or Play Store. Once you have followed all this step, then your issue of could not create account at this time will be fixed. And I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more updates.